Hi, today we are going to discuss about the crash course Neet 2025. It's scheduled in April. Here we have given 25 days. Why? Because reason behind that, in this year, on March 2025, 25th, biology exam is going to be conducted. The same way, the computer science. It's the 20th March. So generally the BPC children, if you see, their last exam will be maximum computer science on 20th March. So they will be busy up to 30th to give farewell for their school or college. So 30 will be busy and 31st they may be reaching home or somehow. So their day one starting is better. So if you see again 25 days why? Uh, it will be first date. Okay. Second, third, as usual, four, five. If you see sixth, we cannot give training. We should keep a exam. It's a just a weekly exam. So we can't count the day for syllabus or revision. So this seventh date will be counted as sixth. Okay. So next is seventh, eighth. It will be ninth, 10th, 11th. Again, this day will be rest as well as the exam. Okay. Then 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 15 days. This is a crucial actually. Next is 16th date. Okay. 16th is another one. 16th, 17th. This is also exam, weekly exam. Then 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23. Same. It's an exam, final exam. Okay. Then 2-4, then 2-5. Okay. So based on this, it will be like 25 days. Why 30? 30 will be like it's a grand test. Okay. Weekly general will be grand test. This will be the grand test. Next, what about first 2, 3? As you know, the fourth is the NEET exam. May 4th is the NEET this year. So grand test. Here they have to. Actually, we are conducting this exam in some other city. They are going to attend another city, and the training will be in another city. So this day will be like starting traveling. Okay, it will be for traveling. And this day they have to go and check the exam center. It's a pre-check. Okay, they have to go for the exam center for the confirmation. On the last moment, they should not be hurried, but even though that's their own city, it's better to go and check once. Okay, and this day is also again for rest and revision. Of course, this is rest. Okay, next day they have to go for exam. So these 3 days we can't touch. Okay, so this is left. This is a grand test or it's a farewell, whatever it may be. Of course, here these days are for other purpose also. Now, so totally we have 25 days. So now this syllabus has to complete in a 25 days. So this is target. Just I need your opinions also. So so this one we can 11th has 19 chapters. 11th syllabus has a 19 chapters latest. 12th luckily you have 13 chapters. Total 32 chapters. But we have 25 days. Okay. So just I'm thinking these two can be conducted, should be explained in one day. Okay, day one. That is one. Okay, only one day we can give. Already we discussed with some other faculty also. This is plant kingdom. This takes one day. Second day. This will take one day. Second day. Okay. Animal kingdom, 3 days. Third day. Okay, it will take one day. And this morphology of flowering plants, it will also take one day. So it will be fourth day. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and anatomy also, and structural organs animals. It is reduced. Syllabus is reduced compared to the 2 years before or 3 years before Corona. It was very heavy. Now it is reduced. Somehow they have to manage. In this also some topics are reduced. So these two can be should be completed in the one day. Then it's better. Okay. So If you see like this is 1 day. Okay, this will be should be 1 day. Next is the cell. Of course, it is a prokaryotes, eukaryotes bifurcation, so it will take 1 day, sixth day. Then biomolecules, of course, itself is complex, it is little lengthy, but still it can be cut short. And this is very mitosis, meiosis, cell division. So this is very easy, of course. So these two we should club. Okay, in my opinion. So this is seventh day. So this should be okay, because we don't have much time. Then photosynthesis in higher plants, it will take 1 day. Okay, it has many topics. Then respiration plants, it also will take 1 day. So, and the problem is plant growth and development, it's also little easy, hormones. So it may be lengthy, but somehow we can complete these two. That's we don't have any other option. So these two should be completed in 1 day. This is 9th day. Okay, because our aim is to complete within 15 days 11th syllabus. Then this breathing will take 1 day, of course, remaining all as usual. Okay, here we try to, but it's not possible. Locomotion also has bones and muscles. Okay, 13th. And here you will get some time. Neural coordination, eye and ear has been deleted. So luckily we have less time. It's a less concepts. So it's a 14th day. Then 15th day. So like this, 15 days it takes. Okay. So up to here we can complete. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now here this starts. So here then it means this is the day 1. Okay, so this sexual person will take 1 day definitely. So it means let's start. So it will take 1 day. Okay, it will also take first day. And human reproduction, reproductive health. Somehow we have to complete this in 1 day. This one, it has to. So it will somehow, of course, we see in human reproduction like gametogenesis, female, male, and that parts, female parts, male parts, comparison, embryogenesis, okay, and fertilization, parturition. Many topics are there, but somehow we have to do. No other choice we have. Okay, second. And principles of interest. Okay, good. This can be third day. No problem. Okay. Remaining molecular base of inheritance is a lengthy chapter, as you know. But recently you have the plus 2 children might have covered recently. So this can be gone for review. Okay. So this is should be. It's no other way we don't have. Evaluation. Okay. If any leftover is there, next day we can discuss here. The evaluation. So this one also takes 1 day. Next, human health and diseases. This will take 1 day. Okay, short only, but okay, still. Next is microbes of human welfare. This is also 1 day. It's a 7th day. Next is biotechnology, P&B, and biotechnology applications. We can, it's possible because of the latest completed syllabus, so it has to complete in 1 day. Okay, and in ecology many topics have been changed, so somehow, so organism population also very short, ecosystem also short. So what we can do is organism population we can take 1 day. Okay, 9th day, and ecosystem also we can combine, either depends on. So somehow it has taken, if it is pending, then it shift here. So this we can complete. So ecosystem and biodiversity conservation, this should be combined. Okay, because the last day it may help, or 1 day before, depends on, we can interchange. But somehow I say this is combined, these two chapters. Okay, so like this 10 days. So 15 plus 10, 25 days. So this is 11 chapters. 15 days it will take. Okay, should complete, and this should complete in the 10. So totally it needs 25 days. In the 25 days it should be completed. Then only this revision will be fruitful. So this is 25 days. This is biology schedule. Physics, chemistry will make it soon. Hope you understood. This is a method try to follow. Okay, and every week here. First of all, as soon as we come here, as soon as they reach 30th, 31st, we'll conduct a test. In that, we'll check the plus 2 capacity, how much they have good in the plus 2, so that within this 15 days, we will understand about the student and where they are lagging. So, we'll conduct one your 12th test. Okay, one small practice test. And here, these 5 days chapters, the first 5 days chapters will be kept here. 1 to 5, exam for the 1 to 5. Next, this is 6 to 11th chapter here. Then plus 1 portion and plus 2 portion here. And this plus 2 portion will be here. And 24, 25, this test already here physics and chemistry might have completed. So they'll be having less compared to others. So your 25th evening itself, they'll complete this test also. Then one grand test. Okay, some people will say, some other institutions will say that they'll complete in 20 days and remaining days will be like grand test from 24th onwards. That's also well and good. It depends. Okay, anyway, evenings we will give children daily practice test. That's okay. Okay, so this is one type of schedule. Hope you understood. Thank you.